Microsoft Azure, working to support government modernization at all levels, state, federal, and military. More at azure.com/mission cloud. Microsoft Azure, from the edge to the cloud, end to end. The FedRAMP authorized Salesforce customer success platform. Salesforce helps government agencies and businesses connect with their customers in a whole new way. More at salesforce.com/DC. The University of Lynchburg in Central Virginia, helping each student ignite their potential. Lynchburg's professors help students think in new ways and build the education for the life they want. More at lynchburg.edu.
For 20 years, Kojo Namdi has been highlighting all the great local flavors of DC, and now it's your chance to join Kojo for a celebration of the food, music, and culture of our region. Enjoy performances from the world-famous Blue Marching Band, the Go-Go Band, Trouble Funk, and much, much more. It's coming up Thursday night, and you can snag one of the few tickets left at kojo.org/tour. It's 5:52.
A country that grew even through the financial crash now faces a slowdown. Live from London, this is the Marketplace Morning Report from the BBC World Service. I'm Manoan, and good morning. Australia's record-breaking economic run is losing steam. That's led the central bank to cut rates today for the first time since 2016. With its strong dependence on China as well as a global slowdown, what's the central bank worried about? Bob Gregory is professor of economics.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep right to I-395 North.
Australia.
One of the things that's special this time is that our interest rates have really just cut. We had this unusual experience of the government saying, well, maybe interest rate cuts will help us get under control. And if you remember what the government was really good on infrastructure, we haven't had two big governments talking about that sort of thing before. They're mainly focused on inflation and not focused so much on coordination of interest rate policy and government spending.
Australia is an economy that has been a world beater. It's been growing through all of the financial crises. And so what does this mean?
Keep right to I-395 North.
Is at this very moment, the economy is doing pretty well. So there's no crisis. What's happening is the bank is getting a bit nervous about what's going to happen in the future. They're worried that unemployment will start to move up. And
In 1/2 mile, take exit 3 on the right to Verizon Center.